not unusual for young people to have a change of heart when it comes to careers.
At first, I really wanted to go into the military.
When's the last time you heard a high schooler talk about becoming a blacksmith?
I decided to take this class only because I knew I'd get the opportunity to try out something else. And so far, I really like it. I think it's something I want to do in the future.
The Enery Career Center is full of stories of students falling in love with the trades, from blacksmithing to welding to machining.
We've used the lathe machine, we've used the saw. We made a dice over here. We actually made a baseball bat the first week, which is pretty cool.
But these students are part of a program that's new to Greenville County schools. The Summer Program for Advanced Manufacturing is for high schoolers who are simply not able to attend career centers because of certain factors in their life.
They may not be able to work it into their schedule. They may have credits that they need to make up. They may just not have all the opportunities that other students have to come to the Career Center.
For many, that reason is financial, which is why these students are paid an hourly wage and also receive meals, transportation, and financial literacy education, paid for with a grant from United Way.
In paying them a living wage, it gives them some experiential learning of understanding what their work looks like and what it means to be valued, and that value being reciprocated with funds.
The students also learn that skilled trades like these can translate to good-paying jobs when they graduate.
Some of these kids can come straight out of high school making 20 plus an hour, and they're not going to college, they don't have student loans.
More than 60 students applied for the program, but only 20 were able to get in. Officials are confident this introduction to advanced manufacturing will be successful based on what they've seen so far.
I think you measure success by looking at these kids and their genuine enthusiasm and excitement. When they come through the door every day, they're smiling. I mean, to me, that's success. They've said, wow, look at what I can do.